Good afternoon. I've had an interesting day. I couldn't be doing this unless I'd gone to the eye care in Hunstanton to fix my glasses. Both of them. One had dropped out, this one, and I hadn't got it fixed. Then I'd actually touched my nose and the other glass in the other glasses dropped out, so they both needed repairing. And then I had fish and chips by the seaside, and I've just returned. And I'm going to read something important that I picked up in London at Trafalgar Square. It's the first thing on my agenda, and of course the holy verses and some new healing prayers arrived with the post. So I'll read one or two of those because we all need healing. Anyway, a warning for, and David Yates has asked me to record something which is not as important as 5G. So this was from a leaflet that many of us must have received, and we have to share. Warning, 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 warning. 5G. 5G is military-grade microwave warfare. I repeat that. 5G is military-grade microwave warfare. Protect our children. Protect our world. Biological. Dangerous. 5G. Blanket radiation, 24/7 exposure. This was written some time ago, before 2020. Would you raise your child in an airport scanner? I don't even like going through them, I don't know about you. Would you plant seeds, keep pets, loved ones, babies and bees in constant low-level radio frequency radiation? Would you really, if you knew that that's what was around you? I don't think so. 5G has been created for machines, not people. 5G has been created for machines, not people. We won't notice the speed difference. If you realise the advertising says much quicker, much quicker, much quicker, it will be no quicker than what you already have. 5G has not been safety tested. I'll repeat that. 5G has not been safety tested. The 5G rollout continues at frantic speed despite public protests. It is an experiment on humanity and the environment, and that is defined as a crime under international law. This is the largest biological experiment ever. Microwave radiation levels of 5G are at least 5 to 6 times higher than the European Council Health and Safety Guidelines. Trees are being cut down all around the world, making way for infrastructure of street-side 5G Wi-Fi. One high-power wireless transmitter for every few homes. 5G technology will utilize extremely high frequency millimeter wave radiation. This will be in our homes, not mine. Children's schools, workplaces and hospitals. It will be everywhere all of the time. No place to hide. No place to hide. No place to hide. Children are most at risk as they can absorb up to 60% more radiation than adults. Wireless RF is a class 3B carcinogen according to the World Health Organization. 5G is already here and will be in 16 major cities across the UK by the end of 2019. Well, we're going towards the end of 2020 now. It must be much worse. Bristol and Surrey universities and King's College London are the government test beds for 5G. There are health concerns after a spate of suicides at Bristol University. Independent studies have associated long-term, low-level RFR exposure with a litany of health effects, including cancer, tumours, weakened immunity, DNA damage, disruption of cell metabolism, melatonin reduction, increased anxiety and depression, nosebleeds, dizziness, headaches, long-term memory loss. These effects are seen in all life forms, plants, animals, insects and microbes. These effects clearly exist. Scientific evidence is so strong. Our bees and trees will die. We are facing a global catastrophe. 5G is military style radiation. For further information, please find us at https://www.facebook.com/groups/stop5GUK. I'll write that on the script I have to write about what this is. So that's the end for now. I'm going to do the rest of the normal stuff in a short while. Thank you for listening. I hope you'll share that information, even if you just get some of the literature yourself and give it to people. I've done all I can do for the moment, and being attacked by what we call trolls, but at the end of the day I pray for them in their deliberate, willful practices of targeting old ladies like me and others and calling us mad and all kind of things, and obese, and okay, fine, say what you like, but the Lord is with me, and I just pray for you to just stop what you're doing, not to me but to please yourself. You'll not stop me.